morning, 7th grade. Welcome to Wednesday's English class. Today we're on page number 71, our Unit 2 review. Please put your full name, your class, and today's date, October 7th, on the top of the page. Thank you. The two boxes on the top of the page help us as we seek to identify the italicized words in exercise 1 as to whether they are plural, possessive, contractions, or positives. Recall that there are a couple of exceptions to the rule. Sometimes I have a plural noun that does not end in S. Dogs ends in S. Children does not. When I make dogs a plural possessive, I simply put an apostrophe after the S. If I have an exception to the rule, like children, I need to put an apostrophe after the N, so N apostrophe S. We have other words like deer or women that are the same thing. So for today, what we want to do is to take a look at the words that are found in the sentences and identify them as to whether they are plural, possessive, contractions, or positives. Remember, our contractions are included in this unit because they use an apostrophe. They're not nouns, but sometimes we see them in the sentences and we need to identify what kind of words that they are. That's why they're found here in nouns. You'll have some exercises with this on your test for Unit 2, and there are several of them that are included on our practice for today. I have highlighted in light blue the examples numbers 1 through 20 on page 71. We want to identify these words that are in italics on your paper and label them. Number 1, monkeys. No apostrophe. That's plural. Number 2, the Newman's vacation. The vacation that belonged to the Newmans. Number 2 is possessive. Number 3, Sheila's on her way to the skating rink. Sheila is. There's nothing that belongs to Sheila. Number 3 is a contraction. Number 4, notice the commas between Molly and wants. That's an example of an appositive. Number 5, I notice that there's a comma, but I also recognize that after the dance is a prepositional phrase. So the base simple sentence is Helmut's leaving for Rome. This is like the contraction example we had in number 3. Helmut is leaving. Number 6, do you know if the cats come back? Nothing belongs to the cat. Do you know if the cat has or the cat is come back? Number 6 is also a contraction. Number 7, Conestogas were the famous wagons of the Western Trails. That's a plural noun. Number 8, base sentence, give it to Jake. You give it to Jake, comma, the butler. Example 8, appositive. If there are any questions concerning the items that we're going through this morning, make yourself a note in the side, and then you can contact me later by way of GoGuardian, and I can help you with the question that you have. Number 9, the tools that belong to the mechanics. That is a possessive noun. Number 9 is possessive. Number 10, John lost his baseball. Is the simple sentence. A souvenir, notice it's separated by a comma. Number 10 is an appositive. Likewise, number 11 is an appositive. Please notice in number 11 there is a publisher's typographical error. There should be a comma after cousin. You may care to insert that comma after cousin, easily recognized as an appositive. Number 12 is like number 5 and 6 up above. Nothing belongs to Jimmy. It means Jimmy is not home. 12 is a contraction. Number 13 is part of a prepositional phrase. Ambulances, no apostrophe, ambulances, plural. Number 14 is like number 12. Number 14, nothing belongs to Rover. It means Rover is not the smartest dog who ever lived. A contraction. Notice number 15, there's no apostrophe. It's a plural noun. Number 16, beginner's position. That's possessive. You would not say, is there a beginner is position. 17 is like 16. It shows possession. Father's name, possessive. 18, notice the commas. Marta could wear her daughter's clothes. A petite woman refers back to Marta. Remember, when we discussed this lesson, we said these are sometimes like synonyms. You could say a petite woman could wear her daughter's clothes, same as Marta. Number 19, the word boats does not have an apostrophe. It ends in S. It's plural. And finally, number 20, can you see this from a teacher is point of view? That's not correct. The point of view belonging to the teacher. Number 20 is possessive. When we write our test, we need to be remembering these kinds of nouns as well as those words we call contractions. Tomorrow I'm going to have a review for you to complete on connected, and then on Friday the 9th we're going to write a test on Unit 2 nouns. You have already completed your assignment for today by filling in items 1 through 20 as we discussed today's lesson. That's it for today. Once again, tomorrow I'll have posted an assignment for you to select a review in Connected. Have a great day.